I'm using a design kit and I open up the app. I'm going to select a background for my image, and then once I pick the one I want, I'll just continue. I'll choose a sticker. There are lots of preloaded ones that you can use for free. So once I choose my sticker, I just leave it placed right in the center, and then I can select review and then save it to my camera roll. Now I'm going to go into Instagram, open that up, click on stories, add my cover image to my story, and then once I have it saved into my story, I'm going to go into my profile and click new, and then I'm going to select the picture that I just made to make the cover photo for my new highlights, and I'll just give it a title for my work because I want to feature some bits of my work in this story highlight reel. So now I'm going to go into my stories, select a story, hit the highlight button, and add it to my work. And there you go. Just nailed it. Thanks for watching.